All right, guys, today we are going to be reading the story called Two Greedy Bears. So I am curious to find out why these two bears are so greedy. Like, what are they greedy about? What do they just need to have and maybe can't get along about? All right, our theme concept is we can do it. That strategy is to predict and infer. Our skill is focusing on making predictions, so saying what we think is going to happen. So let's take a look at predict and infer. Let's see what it means. What did you read? What do you know? Put it together. What does it show? So taking a look at something you read, something you already know, and then putting that together, what does it tell you? All right, today we're going to get our stretchers ready. Get those fists together. First word is soil. Next word is step. House. Now. And bait. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our suffixes. Suffix, sound, meaning. Let's think about it. What does that mean? Yep, full of. Good job. Suffix, sound, meaning. All right, in a way that is. Suffix, sound. Should make that E sound. Meaning, full of. Suffix, sound, makes the S sound, meaning more than one or somebody else. All right, let's take a look at our word review. We've got our suffix full, and we could see that used in the word hopeful. Why don't you try and think in a minute, just think in your head, what is a way that I could use the word hopeful in a sentence? Pause the video if you need to. How could you use hopeful? So pause it, think. All right, so now I'd like you to share with somebody maybe sitting around you or just say it out loud. How could you use the word hopeful in a sentence? I, for example, could say, Ashley is hopeful that the sun will come out today. So hopeful means you're full of hope. Yep. All right, my next suffix is ly. That means in a way that is. So my base word is sure. So ly means in a way that is sure. That's kind of a harder one to come up with a sentence for, but go ahead and pause the video, try and think of a sentence, and when you're ready, unpause it. All right, go ahead and share out loud. What is your sentence for surely? You can share that out loud, pause the video if you need to, or go tell an adult. All right, so my sentence could be, Evan is surely going to get all of his work done. So in a way that is sure, that means he like for sure is going to get it done. All right, my next sentence is the suffix with the Y that makes the E sound. So our base word is greed, and my little suffix, that Y makes the E sound, that means full of greed. All right, pause it, think of a sentence. When you're ready, share your sentence with an adult near you, or you could just share your sentence out loud. All right, so my sentence for greedy could be Nico was very kind and was not greedy when his brother wanted part of his cookie. So if you are not greedy, that means that, because greed means like you really want something, but he didn't want to keep it all to himself, he shared with his brother. So greedy would be full of greed, but he wasn't greedy because he shared. All right, my last one is the ES, and I've got the word dress as. My base word is dress. So think of a sentence that you could use showing more than one with dresses or talking about somebody else. So go ahead and pause the video, think of your sentence, tell an adult, or just say it out loud. So I wish I could hear it, but you could pretend I can hear it. All right. So I could say Macy has 10 dresses in her closet. Or I could say Julian dresses himself every day. So I could talk about how many of something, more than one. So Macy has more than one dress, or I'm talking about Julian saying that he dresses himself. All right, great work. Let's take a look at our regular word review. My turn, head. Your turn. All right, let's go ahead and clap out and spell the word head. Spell head. My turn, sure. Your turn. In a whisper voice, spell sure. Nice work. My turn, laugh. Your turn. All right, this time, let's use a little mouse voice to spell the word laugh. Spell laugh. My turn, break. Your turn. All right, you've got a stick in front of you again. Take that stick, you're going to break it in half. With each letter, I want you to break the stick. Break it over and over. All right, here we go. Break the stick with the word break. Spell break. Nice job. My turn, water. Your turn. All right, go ahead, and this time we're gonna splash in some water with our feet. Pretend you're kicking, 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 splashing in the water. Get your feet out in front of you. They can be on your under the chair or your table. Just lift them up a little bit, or you can be like standing on the ground and kick them back and forth, whatever you want to do. All right, splash in the water with your feet on each letter. Here we go. Spell water. Nice job. My turn. One. Your turn. All right, you're getting pretty good at the word one, so take a look at it. When you're ready, close your eyes. And we're going to spell one. Go ahead and spell one. Great work. My turn, some. Your turn. All right, this time let's snap it on our fingers. Snap it out and spell some. Spell some. Good job. All right, let's get some energy out. This time we are going to do some arm circles with stomachs. We can do little arm circles, big arm circles. If you're not feeling like arm circles today, no big deal. Maybe you can make little circles with your fingers as you're sitting down, whatever you want to do to maybe get some movement in. All right, are we ready? Let's get some movement in with the word stomachs. Here we go. Spell stomachs. Great job. All right, my turn, into. Your turn. All right, let's spell it in a big, giant voice. Spell into. Great work. All right, our next word is they. With your, let's see, let's snap again with our fingers. With your fingers, I'd like you to snap out and spell they. Spell they. Great job. My turn, both. Your turn. All right, this time for the word both, we are going to take both hands, clasp them together so your fingers are laced together, kind of crossed together. And with every letter, I want you to open your two hands and then put them together, put both hands together and lace those fingers together as you spell each letter. All right, here we go. Spell both. Great work. My turn, was. Your turn. All right, see if you can spell this one with your eyes closed because I feel like you probably can. Close those eyes. Look at the word one more time if you need to. All right, close your eyes. Spell was. Nice job. And if I ever tell you to close your eyes and spell it and you just can't spell it with your eyes closed, no big deal. Keep your eyes open and spell it with your eyes open. All right, let's review our sounds for the week. We have some new sounds. Sound, Yep, if you weren't sure, that's or sound. Yep, again, or sound, sound, sound. Remember, you should say ow or oh. Good job. Sound. Yep, that's a new one. Sound, or sound, or. Good job. Sound, sound. That's a new one. The AR says R. Sound. Yep, good job. Sound. Awesome. All right, we are on day 3. Here we go. Sound, sound, blend, sound. That makes just the s at the end. Blend. Word, so it should have been ch, e, s. Good job. Sound, sound. Don't forget that AR says R. Yep. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Great. Ooh, we're going to add the suffix s. So the word is parts, which means more than one part. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Great job. That word should have been bite. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Awesome. Here we go. So our last one. Sound. Sound. That IR says blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. So we've got first, but our word's going to be even bigger. So there's our first syllable, thirst. Now I see this one, I think it could be I. Sometimes it says I, and in this word it's actually going to say E. I know, it sounds weird, but you'll see in a minute. And the third syllable is So let's go back there. We had first, E, put it together. Thirst, E, Clap it out. Thirst, E, How many syllables? Yep, you should be holding up 3 fingers. Yep, there are 3 syllables. We divide it right there. Awesome possum. You guys did a great job. Super proud of you. Keep up the hard work, first graders.